Hi, Tim Skell here, ABB Application Engineering. Today I'm going to take an ACH580 and show you how you can set up a trend of the output power being consumed by the motor. So what I'm going to do here is we see this right here is a home view, and there's actually 8 different screens set up right now. I can hit the right arrow, and one of the factory default trends is a 60-minute trend on output power that is 0 to 10 kilowatts for the maximum output power. So let's say I got a little bit bigger application. I'm say 25 kilowatts would be the max power my motor would ever consume. And let's say I want to look at that over the course of a 24-hour period and not a 60-minute trend, but I want a full one-day trend. What I'm going to do is come up here and hit Options, go down to the Edit Home View, and enter into that area here, and you'll see that it then flashes the screen here. Since this is the screen I want to adjust, I go ahead and hit Edit. And my first option here is output power. That was the default it's at, so we're good there. You can trend pretty much anything you want. What I'm going to take a look here, though, is change this because I'm set for the graph for 1 hour, but I mentioned earlier we want to do a 24-hour graph. You can skip over the displayed decimals. I can change the name of my graph. By default, it's just output power, but I could say chilled water pump 1 output power if I wanted to give a custom name to the graph on the final screen. And then I got my range. It is going to be 0, and I said my max power would be 25 kilowatts. So I got that adjusted. I'm not going to worry about doing any scaling. If I was trying to do something like convert kilowatts, which is what the drive gives me, and display it in watts or something like that on the screen, I can do some scaling, but it's not necessary for most applications. And there we go. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit done, and done again. And you can see that now my graph is 24 hours long on my x-axis, and my y-axis is up to 25 kilowatts. So over the course of the next 24 hours as I'm running, I can trend my power going up and down. So you basically have a little mini building automation system trending capability right here local on the drive. If you have any other questions on ABB ACH580 drives, feel free to reach out to your local ABB representative or your friendly ABB application engineer. Thank you.